I was kindly gifted these steel toe rain boots from my husband, and he's been loving them. They fit him perfectly and are true to size, which is always a plus. We live on acreage, and he's been wearing them for all sorts of outdoor tasks. Everything from yard work and garage projects to walking in the woods. He also likes to keep them in his car for work when he's inspecting houses. One of the things we really appreciate is how waterproof they are. The seamless PVC construction keeps his feet completely dry, even when he's trudging through mud or standing in puddles. And when they get dirty, they clean up effortlessly with just the hose. The boots are incredibly sturdy too. They have a steel toe and a reinforced puncture-resistant midsole, so he feels protected no matter what the work is that he's doing. The slip-resistant outer sole is another major plus. He can move around confidently whether he's on slick surfaces or rough terrain. Even though they're tough, these boots are surprisingly comfortable. The lightweight, flexible PVC and cushioned insole make them easy to wear for long periods, so he can focus on getting the job done without his feet hurting in the process. Overall, these boots are a great combination of durability, protection, and comfort. Whether it's barn work, construction work, fishing, or just daily outdoor tasks, they perform reliably across a variety of environments. If you need waterproof, steel-toe, slip-resistant boots that hold up in tough conditions, these are definitely worth checking out.